Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. In this lesson, we deal with the pre-trip inspection. There's a lot to remember here, and you need to remember to clearly call each check out loud to your examiner. We won't do that in this video, it will just take too long. Should any of the items you're checking be defective, the vehicle will be considered unroadworthy. You will have failed before you have even begun and must arrange a new test appointment. The examiner will accompany you to your vehicle and start the stopwatch. You have 20 minutes to complete both inspections and the maneuvers. Approach the vehicle, look underneath and confirm there are no leaks or obstructions. Unlock all doors and confirm that the driver's door, that's the right-hand side, and window are functional. Lean across to unlock all the other doors from inside the vehicle, unless the central locking system has done that for you. Confirm the driver's seat belt is not damaged and is stable. Now start inspecting the exterior of the vehicle in an anti-clockwise direction from top to bottom for any possible damage. Check that the driver's side mirror is not broken and is stable and clean. Confirm that the driver's side of the front windscreen is clean and undamaged. Lift the windscreen wiper to check for wear, stability, and cleanliness. Point to the front right-hand tire and say that you have checked the tire for air pressure, sidewall damage, and tread depth. Also that you have ensured that the valve caps and the wheel nuts are in place and there are no oil or grease leaks. Point to the front right-hand light and reflector cluster and say that the lenses and reflectors are not dirty or broken. Confirm that the front of the vehicle is not damaged and that the bonnet, grille, and bumper are secure. Indicate to the examiner that you have checked under the bonnet for oil, water, and brake fluid and inspected the condition of all visible engine belts. Check the front registration plate and lamp for damage, cleanliness, stability, and validity. Move to the front left-hand light and reflector clusters and say that the lenses and reflectors are not dirty or broken. At the front left-hand tire, say that you have checked it in the same way as the first tire. Confirm that the left-hand portion of the front windscreen is clean and undamaged. Lift the left-hand windscreen wiper and check for wear, stability, and cleanliness. Check the license disc is valid. Check that the left-hand side mirror is not broken and is stable and clean. Open the front left-hand passenger door and confirm the door and windows are functional. Check the front left-hand passenger seat belt for stability and damage. Open the back left-hand passenger door and confirm the door and windows are functional. Check the back left-hand passenger seat belt for stability and damage. Check the left-hand rear tire and say it has been checked in the same way as the other tires. Point to the back left-hand light and reflector cluster and say that the lenses and reflectors are not dirty or broken. Check that the boot is secure and mention that the spare wheel, jack, and spanner are present and in working condition. Confirm that the back of the vehicle is not damaged and that the boot, exhaust, and bumper are secure. Confirm that the rear windscreen is clean and undamaged. Check your rear wiper blades as per the front, if applicable. Check the rear registration plate and lamp for damage, cleanliness, stability, and validity. Point to the back right-hand light and reflector cluster and say that the lenses and reflectors are not dirty or broken. Check the right-hand rear tire and say that it has been checked in the same way as the other tires. Confirm that the fuel cap is secure and not leaking fuel. Open the right-hand side passenger door and confirm the door and window are functional. Check your rear right-hand passenger seat belt for stability and damage. Ensure that all passenger doors are properly closed. Ensure your wiper blades are correctly placed back on your screens. Okay, so to recap, remember to go around your vehicle methodically in an anti-clockwise direction. Practice the inspection regularly. Time yourself in practice. Remember, don't rush, don't waste time, and don't forget your wiper blades. At Motus, we place a lot of emphasis on safety. So get into the habit of conducting these inspections regularly on any vehicle you drive, and especially before a long trip. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.